Welcome back to another exercise. Today we are going to model this simple exercise and we will learn some basic features. So here we are going to start with front view. We will first create a basic structure, then we will start to cut the all inside features. So if you see the diameter 140, see the radius 36, and you have to multiply 2 times so that we will get full radius or full diameter. Okay, so you will get this center point 20 millimeter. You will see here 20 millimeter this width, corner radius 25, then there is one straight extruded body 30 millimeter, then again there is a curve 45 degree, then there is a one circular body and these radius are 100. So let's create this first. Even though at bottom you will see 6 millimeter depth, 152, and if you see in cross section there is a small step 64, not this one, inside 120. So simply I am going to activate front plane sketch. Now let's apply center line. Center line always help us to direct us. Now let's start with line. Activate line tool, create this step. Okay, then go straight and go back, and we want to create a half circle. So let's create with the help of center point arc. I am going to place center into this line and click this point to up to here. Now expand and meet. Now let's define this. Now first outside diameter. If you move cursor out of this, you will see a diameter. Now this is going to be, let's say, 140 plus 36 into 2. That's it. Now you will see this one 120 and this one going to be 152. Perfect. Now this 20 millimeter, and here also the depth 6 millimeter only. Okay, this is fully defined. Now let's define this center 130 and the radius, and this is going to be 100 millimeter, and distance from center to this point 150 millimeter. Now let's apply revolve boss base feature. Now this geometry, this profile is open, so it is asking you, would you like to sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. Now by default it should be select, or let's axis of revolution, let me select this line. You will see the preview, angle keep 360 degree, we want a full round body. Say yes. Look, even let me add fillet, constant size fillet, and this is going to be 25. I'll choose multiple radius, just rotate and select inside one, and inside one I'm going to change directly 45 millimeter. Say yes. Now look, now it's time to cut from inside. You will see this is 49 millimeter length, diameter 64. Okay, and this is going to be, there is a one inside radius R18, and this is going to meet up to this point, but you will see this depth 140 divided by 2 is 70. So this is going to be add extra depth. You will see in this view. First we have to cut, then we will add 180, then 70. Okay, let's first cut this one. Okay, right plane, any plane you can simply apply. Okay, let's start with from here. Now again I'll select center point arc. Okay, let's define this and then we will go ahead. Now these diameter 64, these radius 80. Okay, and let me define this length 49 millimeter. Look, let's go from here to straight and connect up to this point or end point of the main body, horizontal. Now let's define this point from here to here. It's 150 millimeter. Look, now according to drawing, this depth 85 millimeter. Now here I'll choose revolve cut. Now again it is asking you, would you like to close, because this is open geometry, or open profile? Say yes. Now here automatically detected the center line. Keep end point direction or blind 360 degree. Look. Now let's cut this face. Then we will add this material. This material we have to add 140 divided by 2 is 70 millimeter in the shape of like this. First we have to cut this one 80, 60 and 82 millimeter, this center point. Okay. And for this I am going to select right plane, sketch. Now from here center I am going to draw vertical, and let's define this distance 150, and this is going to be 60 into 2. Okay, let's define one more radius circle, and this circle 80 into 2. Now distance from here to this point, vertical length 182 millimeter. Perfect. Tangent, that's it. Mirror entity. Now let me choose this circle and make sure you selected copy, and the mirror line or partition line, whatever you say. Okay, now it is mirror. Now we want to trim this outer body, so I am going to hold shift key and select these outer edges. Convert entity. Now see, trim entity, select power trim, just move, drag and move your cursor. Now see, we have this cross profile and this is what we are going to trim. Extruded cut. Now here two close profiles, so you have to select 1, 2. Just check the, okay, this is going to be completely okay. Keep end condition through all both. Say yes. Look. Right plane, activate plane. 70 millimeter in one direction, say okay. Now we want to intersect here, so just go to select plane, sketch, and here the most important tool, intersection curve. Just select intersection curve. Now here select these faces, say okay. Look, there is a curve created at the plane of this. This is called intersection curve. Now normal view, hold shift key, select these two outer edge and click convert entity. Trim entity, power trim, and just trim this line. Say yes. Look. Extrude. Now even though you can say here up to surface, I am going to choose this surface. Now look the preview, say yes. Click and hide the plane. Now look what material is added. If you see section view, okay, normal. Look, the material is added here. Now let's add this hole. This hole also at center point is 150 millimeter. See here. See, all the dimensions are clear. The hole depth 80, 130, 185. All radius are finished. 49, 36 is the outer face, outer one. 20 millimeter is the center one. And depth of this, if you see, 170 divided by 2 is 140 divided by 2 is 70, minus 73 is 3 millimeter this depth, and this edge starts 93 millimeter from center. Okay, so let's go. Later we will mirror those. Front plane sketch. Now first define a center line. Activate line tool. Okay, now activate smart dimension. First the center one 150. Now if you see this point from here to here, 49. The internal one 22 and the last outer one goes 36. Okay. Now this distance from this point 70. Fine. The second line, if you see, 140 divided by 2 plus 3, it's going to be 73, and these line going to be 93 millimeter. Now the last one is not defined, but it is going to cut in up to end. So simply select the outer edge and this point coincide. Revolve cut tool. It is again asking you, would you like to close? Say yes. Now axis of revolution, I am going to choose this line and you will see the preview. Angle 360 degree because we want to cut a complete circular face body. Look. Now let's mirror this feature. Just go to mirror. What is the reference plane going to be? This right plane. Okay, perfect. Now features, first feature is this extruded body, then second feature cut revolve. Say yes. Look. Now let's add these cutouts. First let me add, there is a one hole. Okay, let's cut out this 360 degree, 60 degree, the angle between this plane to this line 60 degree, 360, 76 this internal radius and the reference 140. Okay, so let's try this and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number of patterns are there. You will see in half section. Okay, let's say sketch. Now let me define, click this for construction purpose, 140 into 2. Okay. Now activate circle. Okay, do one thing, just delete this line, again activate line and simply expand up to this. This is also now activate. So now select both the circle, define constraint equal. Radius going to be 36 into 2. Angle 60 degree. Perfect. Now let's activate 3-point arc. Activate 3-point arc and start from here to this. Now just move cursor here and define one relation, hold shift key, arc and circle tangent. Similarly here, arc and circle tangent. This radius going to be 76. That's it. Now simply select extruded cut. Now here you will see selected contour. In selected contour there are many close profiles. So simply choose this one. Keep end condition through all. No need to define any dimension. Say yes. Look. Circular pattern. What feature? Just drop down and simply choose this feature. Now select one circular face. So I am going to choose this one. Equal spacing 360 degree we want to apply in whole body, 6 number of instances. Say yes. There is a hole 20, then bottom one 10, 35. Here see 5, 2. These are the dimensions. So simply now let me choose a particular plane. Front plane is going to be perfect. Okay. Activate center line, or let's say do not fix at any point. exit. Center line always keep construction line so that you will easily apply dimension. It help us to apply proper dimension. If you move cursor out, you will directly apply diameter 22. For center one 10, the outer one 35. Now from here to center one it's going to be 140. Perfect. Now this depth it shows 5 millimeter and this one 2 millimeter. See, now activate revolve cut feature. Again it is asking you, would you like to close? Say yes. Just see the preview, say OK. See, activate circular pattern. Here we need to choose any circular edge, or even you can choose axis also, but let's say I am going to choose this circular edge. 360 degree 6 number of instances and feature already selected. See, if you want to apply appearance, simply apply from there. And the last one, now here one chamfer 1.5 into 45 degree. That's it. Now rest everything we finished. If you click outer edge, it will give you two options: chamfer, angle and distance. Edge we already selected. Tangent propagation. Here see 1.5 into 45 degree. Say yes. Oh, look. If you check section view, okay. Now look, this is perfectly created. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.